How to zoom in a video in Canva. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily zoom in a video inside a Canva. So first, just head over to canva.com from any of your favorite browser and make sure you are logged into your account. And once you're inside here, just choose any of the random video which you have already created, or you can also actually click on this create button to upload a new video. We can also choose a new template video from over here as well. So since I've already created a few videos over here, I'll simply select my recent videos as a draft video. So let's say I want to zoom in different parts of this video. So first, what I will be doing is I will simply split the video in different section because I want this video zoom effect in a different section. So let's say I want to zoom this particular section of the video. So what I will be doing is simply select the video just like this and simply enlarge it just like this. And I can also actually readjust the position just like that. And once you are satisfied, you can actually click on this transition button to simply add a transition to your video just like this. As you can see, you can transition however you want it so that you make it like a zoom one. And once you're finally satisfied, you can simply play the video just like this to see whether the effect has been changed or not, and to your zooming effect of your video. So that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.